YouTube fam, it's your girl Alicia and I'm back with another video. This is going to be like a tutorial video. I'm going to be doing some more Lele themed party favors. I'm doing this for a customer. It's actually a digital order. So I'm editing the party favors for her, then I'm emailing them back to her so she can print them and assemble them on her own. I already did the water bottle labels and the chip bags on camera for you guys, and I'll go ahead and link those videos down below. I'm basically showing you guys how to use the editable templates on our website. This one is that girl theme editable template for the gift bag. So I'm going to just be showing you guys how easy it is to edit my templates from my website. I'm not going to do too much rambling on. We're going to go ahead and jump into the video. But this is super simple, super easy how to edit them for those who order my editable favors and they're confused on how to edit them. These are the videos that you need to watch that teaches you how to edit them. Basically how to add like your child's picture, their name, their customer info. So like always, if you want to get this template, head over to my website at creativecraftllc.com. I'll leave the link down below for you guys. There are two ways to get this. You can go to girls TV shows or girl TV stars and go down to the that girl party favors. Now these are not editable. These are when I edit them for you. So the two ways you can do this is you can purchase it where I can edit it for you, and you can purchase the ones that are editable where I'm going to show you in this video how to edit them yourself. So with this one that I edit for you, there will be a customization box and you put your child's name and age, and you can email me the picture or the photo of your child. Okay, so once you check out, I'll send you a quick response of how to send me the photo and exactly what date and time your favors will be ready or will be sent to your email. I usually deliver files within 24 to 48 hours. So the other way you can do this, but you can edit it on your own, is to go to instant party favors. I'm sorry, editable party favors, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, and here is the editable that girl gift bag labels right here. I'll put the link down below for this as well. This is the party favor that's already pre-designed, but you can edit it yourself by adding your child's photo, their name, their age. Once you check out, this is a instant download, so you don't have to wait for me to send you back anything. You receive this image instantly once you check out. So I'm going to be editing this using Picmonkey. You can use Canva, you can use Microsoft Word, but I'm a Picmonkey girl. I've always used Picmonkey, so I'm going to edit it with using Picmonkey. I will be adding some Canva and some Microsoft Word and Photoshop videos in the near future. I'm actually working on those videos now. So once I get to Picmonkey, I'm going to sign into my account. I'm going to go to Create New, then I'm going to go into Blank Canvas. And for the gift bag labels, you want to pick the print size 11 by 8.5 inch. Okay, make sure you're using landscape 11 by 8.5 inch size paper, which is this right here. Okay, we have 8.5 inch by 11, but we want to use 11 by 8.5 inch. We want the paper to be more wider than longer, if that makes sense. Then we're going to go up to where it says add image, and we're going to go into the computer and we're going to find the images that we want to add. Basically, we're going to be adding, of course, our gift bag label templates and the photo of our customer. Those are the two images that we're going to be adding to create this design. Okay, and once you pick the image you want to add, you can go ahead and add it to the blank sheet of paper instantly, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that. It's very super simple, super easy how to do this. Okay, once you add your image, it'll pop up right over here in your menu, and then you click on your image once and it'll transfer over to your blank sheet of paper in the center. Now these gift labels don't need any resizing. Their size when you print them, each label is going to be 8 inch by 5 inch, so you don't have to resize them. I'm going to leave the information down below of the size gift bags you need to buy to accommodate these labels. Okay, now that we clicked it and we transferred it over into the center of our blank sheet of paper, we're going to go ahead and start to edit, and we're going to go ahead and also add the customer's photo, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that. A lot of people think that doing party favors is a lot of work. Now it is, depending on the theme and how much design you're putting into your favors, but I try to make my editable favors pre-designed for you guys, so all you're doing is adding your child's custom info. If there is a particular party theme that you're doing that you don't see on my website, you can definitely feel free to reach out to me on the website. There's a let's chat button on the website when you click onto the main page, and you can send me a message, say, hey, I have a monster truck or whatever theme it is, and I'll try to add it within 48 hours so you can go ahead and have your party favors. Okay, So anyways, now that we went ahead and added our child, and she's so cute. Her name is Lasia. She's turning 6 years old. I did the water bottle labels and the chip bags, and you guys can go ahead and check that out on the channel. I'm going to go ahead and click her picture once, and it'll go ahead and pop up on our blank sheet of paper on top of our gift bag template. So I'm going to go ahead and stretch that to the size that I think her picture will look best. Then I'm going to go over to the menu button and hit the scissor icon. That's the remove background feature that Picmonkey offers. It typically removes about, if not 100% of the background, at least 95%. Okay. Then I want to go ahead and give her an outline to make her stand out like Lele. Okay. And for the outline color, I'm going to do orange, and I'm going to make that a little bit thick because I do want her to stand out. Of course, she is our birthday girl. Okay. After doing that, I'm going to also probably drop a shadow around her. And then I'm going to go ahead and add her name and her age. Super simple, super quick, and super easy to do. I'm going to go also play with her exposure and kind of brighten her up a little bit. Sometimes when customers send me pictures, they come out a little bit dark, but we can fix that. You go into edits and you play with the exposure, brightness, highlights, lowlights, and you can kind of make her stand out even more. When I'm satisfied with how she looks, I'm going to go ahead and left click copy, left click paste, because I want to get another one of her to put on the other gift bag label, and it's going to go ahead and drag that over to the other side. And you see how when you drag that over, those red lines come up? It's to help you make sure that the images are even on both sides. Okay, Picmonkey has a lot of really good features. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to add her name and her age, but we're going to add her name first. The font that I'm going to be using in Picmonkey is called Sprite Graffiti, because with the Lele theme cartoon or TV show, is like bright colors, vibrant colors, and like graffiti and stuff like that. So that Sprite Graffiti fits that theme perfect. So I'm going to change it to hot pink color. Then I'm going to also drop a shadow around her name, and we're going to go ahead and put either a black or a white outline. Probably a white outline might look best, but black will look good as well. So once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and put her name, Lasia. And then I'm going to go ahead and size that to where I want it to be, right in that aqua blue banner under the That Girl, okay? Because it's going to be That Girl Lasia. Then I think I'm going to put her age right up underneath her name, okay? And that's basically how simple and easy it is. So whether you're doing this with Picmonkey, Microsoft Word, or Canva, editing my editable favors are really quick, super simple. We're going to go ahead and do copy and paste again because we're going to go ahead and add her name also to our other banner as well on the other gift bag label. Okay, so there we have it. I think I might have forgot to add a shadow around her name, but yeah, let's go ahead and add her age as well. I'm not going to use the same font for her age. I'm going to go ahead and change it. The font that I'm going to use for her age is called Luckiest Guy. And I think if I don't make it purple, I'm probably going to make it like the aqua blue color, the same color as the banner. Forgive me, a fire truck just went past my bedroom. Sorry, guys. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and change the color of that. I'm not gonna keep it hot pink. I'm probably gonna make it like an aqua color or maybe even a purple. But I think aqua probably will look best. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop a shadow around her age, and I'm gonna go ahead and outline that black as well. Okay, then I'm gonna go ahead and change the color of that number 6 to aqua blue. Yeah, aqua blue looks best. But you guys can play around with colors and try out different options of what you guys like. And I'm going to go ahead and do copy and paste again. And we're going to go ahead and put number 6 on the other gift bag as well. Now, after doing that, I'm basically done. Really don't have to do any much more to it because, like I said, my editable favors are already pre-designed. So I'm going to go ahead to download. Picmonkey offers if you want to download it in PNG, JPG, or PDF. Pick whichever one works for you. I'm going to do PNG. And this is basically how it looks once we download it. I'm going to go ahead and email this to my customer so she can print it from home and assemble it to her convenience. But this is how the gift bag label looks. This is how easy and simple it is to edit these. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. Definitely stay tuned for the next video because I will be putting up videos every week. That's my goal and my commitment for 2024. I'm going to be doing a lot of these watch me work videos where I'm working on orders, and I'll show you guys how I edit the orders. Because for people that's trying to get into party favor business, I want you guys to see how simple it could be. I'm going to be doing how I make party favors completely from scratch, as far as like the whole design aspect of how to design a chip bag from scratch. I'm actually working on one of those videos right now, so definitely stay tuned. Hopefully my videos are helpful for people that are wanting to get into offering digital content for sale, party favors, or whatever the case might be. We're going to also be getting into ebooks as well. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate all the love and all the views. It means so much to me. If you enjoyed this, definitely go ahead and subscribe. And like always, God bless.